Good afternoon, everyone. This is Baja Pips. It's currently Monday, December 26, 2022, 10:24 p.m. I'm here in Guangzhou, China, and today I'm going to be just checking out the Euro US dollar on the 1 minute chart. Today's a bank holiday, so I want to just start the video off by letting y'all know that there may be no possible moves in this video. I just want to break down my analysis, and if I do see anything setting up, then I will take a trade because I can trade any time frame. As you can see, if you're swing trading or trading anything larger than the 1 minute chart, you're not trading today. It's bank holidays all across the board, and I wanted to show y'all what happens when there is a bank holiday. So here we are looking at the charts, and as you can see, there's been very, very low liquidity all day long. Here we go. So there's no players in the market. If there's no players in the market, there's just nothing to really go on. Right now, we can see price is struggling to break on to the upside. It's also struggling to break on to the downside. So both ways are giving issues. So what I would recommend is just sitting on my hands, and I would like to take a potential long entry to the upside, but for me, I just need to be a little bit cautious in this move because it's been consolidating and just trending sideways for the past 10 minutes. And I literally just started looking at this chart. Don't mind the noise in the background. I'm actually going to try to relocate myself just a minute. I'm in public space once again. So it's one of the things that comes along with traveling is you can actually be in a public place or a private place. When I'm back at home, I have more room in my office, but right now there's just a lot of talking, so just bear with me for a minute. Here we go. Just relocated. Should be a little bit quieter here. And as I was saying, when you are trading on bank holidays, it's very, very difficult to find any type of moves. As you can see, the market is literally at a standstill right now. It says 161 and it's just paused, and every few seconds we might see some shift. So it's 1.01 1.06161, and it's not moving anywhere. The market is not currently open to trade, so there we go. I can't even trade today. My broker says it's the day off. When I do look over at my trading view, it's moving, but it's such little movement that most brokers don't even allow the traders to trade. And this is the prime example. I can't even trade today. It's not open. If I want, I can't do anything. Minimum is 10 pips, the spread. And I don't trade 10 pip spreads because my targets are under 10 pips. So for me to take a trade right now, it's an absolute loss. And this is pretty much going to sum up the video. I mean, there's nothing really to trade today. And I'm going to take the day off. And as a scalper, we also can take days off. I could trade, and that's why I have my trading view up, because this looks like a potential short for me. And like I said, I could trade any time frame. So unfortunately, my trading view, I have to upgrade a pro in order to trade the 10 seconds. I can trade the 10-second time frame, but I'm just going to sit on my hands today. This is the minute time frame. This is the smallest time frame I could trade on TradingView, and then my actual broker, I'm actually able to trade the 10-second time frame, but they're not letting me because the spread is minimum 10 pips. So what's going to happen is that there's nothing. You see, it's closed. So I can't do anything. This is literally the movement of the day. So I know I would like to take it short, but it's fluctuating, and all that's really moving is algorithms. Like the banks, when they're closed, they have certain things that move. And yeah, this is moving on up. And another thing is, if there's not enough players in the market, even if I have a valid move, it may not play out because there's nothing to drive the market. So it's like trading the Asian session all over again. The Asian session pretty much all day today. So there's no moves, and then this was just my back testing, forward testing over the weekend. So there's nothing. So that's my video for today. Take a break, take the day off, maybe the next day or two. Enjoy your day. I'm going to be back in the new year with some fresh moves, and I can't wait because I'm looking forward to tearing up these markets in the forthcoming weeks and months ahead. Um, we're going to have a lot of volume pumping into the markets after the bank holiday. There's that downside move that I was looking at. I will project something just to get something out in this video. So if I were to take a trade right now, the spread is 10 pips, so it doesn't make sense. I don't want to place an order. If I place a sell right here, my order is going to be way up here because the spread is 10 pips. So what is that? 626 is going to be like 636. My sell order is going to be way out here. So even if the market does go to the end of here, I'm just breaking even. And that's why I don't want to trade today. I can read the markets, I can read the charts, and today's just one of those days. I'm just going to take the day off, enjoy my holiday, and happy holidays to you all as well. Happy New Year, and I look forward to trading in the new year. I could do a forecast, like a short position. So based on this, everything going on right here, this move is pretty much it's going to the downside. It will go to the downside. And the stop losses are way up here. So as we can see right now, it is going to the downside. So I'm not actually trading, I'm forecasting, because it's the most action I can actually do. But I get a nice 2-to-1 on this and just wrap up the day if I were to be taking the trade. But this might take several minutes. Like, this might take longer than the video. I don't want to do that. This move alone, just for it to complete to this downside, it took 8:41, 9:03, 20 minutes just for that little move. And then this move on up here, this took like 7:57, 8:10, 20 minutes. So all these moves are taking about 20 minutes long. I'm not going to do that for this video, but I mean, y'all can see it's very slow, no movement. You don't want to zoom in like this because you're just forcing trades at this point. That's why I have my chart orientation out. And yeah, there's absolutely nothing. It's just a dead market. So that's it for today. Enjoy the day. Let's see. Let me look at the economic calendar to see when I could be trading again. I even called up my bank earlier because my card had some messed up transactions when I was making some purchases, and they said, oh, the banks are closed on Monday the 26th for the bank holiday. So my bank's telling me that, and looks like Tuesday is going to be the first potentially tradable day. Might be low volume. Wednesday it might pick up. So about Thursday, Friday we might see some more movement, but look at what happens after that. We have the new year. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Monday's a bank holiday. So basically for the next week, I might just be refining my method and doing some back testing on some other random points in time. I might just be able to pull up some videos for y'all and just get creative. But as far as live real-time trading goes, I won't be doing that until about, looks like January 3rd is going to be my first time. It looks like OPEC meetings. And yeah, we're going to see some high impacts, which should be pumping more liquidity into the markets, and non-farm coming up. So yeah, the first week of January is going to be the first time I'll be able to trade again. Look at 7 pips in the past 6 hours. That's trash, Like that's ridiculous. 7 pips in 6 hours is how with the euro. The past 12 hours it moved 9 pips. Do you understand now why I don't want to trade this? Like, I might be sitting here for 6 to 12 hours just to get the 10 pip spread cleared. And this is real forecasting. This is real chart reading. I mean, for those of you that understand, you overstand. Like, this is, I'm telling the truth. Everything is exactly what I just broke down. Hopefully y'all can take note. So for those of you that like to trade on weekends or bank holidays, or what else is it? Asian session, any of those dead markets, don't trade. Like, I just gave you an informational video that can save you a lot of money, because if you try trading during these times, you're gonna lose money. It's guaranteed. Like, they will take your money, and when the banks start moving again. Oh, another bad thing is if you do enter a trade and you get stuck and caught up in the after hours, when the holidays are over, the spread's gonna be ridiculous. It might be like 30 pips. Like, you might be way out here when the market's open again. So be very, very, very cautious in these times, because just because it's low movement doesn't mean like, you know, the next day it could just, open up for like an hour, 30 pip spread just to stop everybody out. Because there's stops all above at 1.0631, and there's also stops down below at 1.0616. I do believe that the market will stop these players out and these players, but we don't know which direction it's going to go. So, yeah. Happy holidays, y'all. Merry Christmas. Happy Kwanzaa. Happy New Year. Jingle bells. All right. Have a good day.